Today, we're making a spinach egg omelette. Here we just sliced 2 slices of a white onion, and we just want to chop that up. We also have 2 cups of baby spinach, pre-washed. That's the way we buy it. Flame on. Put our pan on medium heat. So we added a half a tablespoon of olive oil to the pan. We also have 2 cups of baby spinach, pre-washed. That's the way we buy it. We're going to add that to the pan, pre-washed. Just make sure you get baby spinach. We're going to add fresh ground pepper. Kosher salt or sea salt, your choice. And just stir that up a little bit. Get that going. Okay. So that cooked up in less than a minute. Okay, into a bowl, 2 large eggs. And we put them in a bowl for obvious reasons, because sometimes if you try to crack them over the pan, sometimes eggshells get in it. We don't want eggshells getting in what we're going to eat, do we? Don't like that. Want to scramble them eggs up here. We added the onions to the eggs. A little bit more sea salt. A little bit more ground pepper. In a separate pan, we're going to add half a tablespoon of olive oil, just like we did with the first pan. Don't need much oil. And you don't really have to measure it out. You can just drizzle it in. It's up to you. In goes the egg. Get all of that. Okay. So we're gonna cover the egg, let that steam for a little bit. So this has been cooking with the lid on it for about 2.5 minutes. Now, back in the pan. Oh, I thought she was going to do the sous chef thing, where she went flip. She said, not with this one, not with this pan. Mess around and go plop. And we don't want that on the floor, because then we got to start all over again. Anyway, good job. So you can see on that side, we only cooked it for We're adding feta cheese. And here's a tip with the cheese. It's up to you, but what we find that Oftentimes you can freeze the cheese, so you put that in the freezer and just let that stay in the freezer, and then when you're ready to use it, pull it out. Otherwise, you'll find yourself throwing out a lot of cheese. So if you have money to burn, go for it. Otherwise, you can freeze your cheese. Just a tip. Folded our omelet in, and we're gonna let that sit for a minute. We're gonna be taking out the pan. So we've taken our omelet out the pan, put it on a plate. We're gonna slice and dice some tomatoes, just a couple of slices. Dice those up real nice. Look at that.